What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Welcome back. I think you know who this is. Verdexes, right? I think that's my name. Anyway, we are on. I don't even know what part are we on. Is this part four? This might be part four. Anyway, so we're going through an Excel tutorial. We've gone through tips 1 through 7 at this point, and hopefully we can finish this up 8, 9, and 10. So tip number 8: hook up a chart title to a cell. The chart below, called chart title, it's not very helpful, so let's change that. Correct. So click the chart title. So it's a nice little text box there. Then types equal and click the green cell that contains week 1. Okay, it's not working for me. I never, if that was the case, I never realized you could do that. But oh, wait a minute. If I just click it, that's why. Okay, you can't click in the text and you delete it. You have to click just the box, and then the formula will appear at the top here. I didn't know that, actually. That's something I learned. So that's interesting. So, right, so now it sets up if I want to change it to grass. I don't know why I said grass, but just something random. So it'll update like that. So that can be pretty useful, I would suppose. But I don't know. Maybe if you're copying and you're trying to make a few of the same charts. I don't know. I mean, I would just use caution when using this because you don't want the chart name to change if somebody moves your cell or something like that. I don't know. I'd say to play it safe just because the chart isn't really going to change. But it's interesting because I didn't know that. So, moving on, hoping to finish this up. Then press enter. Is this no the chart? No, that's so much better. And from now on, the chart will always show what's in the green cell. Right. So which I did. Okay. Cool. All right. Tip number 9: split off slices into a second pie. So now we're changing the chart types. We need to make a pie of pie charts. Interesting. Where the kiwis, grapes, and pears are split off into their own pie. Click the chart, and then click on Design. Then change chart type. Okay. Then choose Pie of Pie. Very interesting. So we're not done yet. Right-click the smaller of the two pies and choose Format Data Series. Okay. In the Format Data Series pane on the right, go to Split Series by what is it? Go to Split Series by the menu, sorry, and then choose Value. Then type 1,000 in the value less than box. 1, 2, 3. When you press enter, the kiwis, grapes, and pears are split off into their own pie because each of their amount is less than 1,000. Oh, that's interesting. So anything that's in like the other that's really too small, it's just being highlighted here. Oh, that's cool. I don't use pie charts that much, and when they are, they're very simple. But that's good to know if there's a lot of small things that make up, the other quote unquote. So that could be useful in a lot of situations. This would be very good for like a PowerPoint situation, I would say for sure. So that's interesting. Last but not least, tip number 10: hover over the chart elements to get a preview. What would this chart look like with a legend, with data labels? Click the chart, then click chart, then chart elements button to the right. So it's this little plus sign here. Hover over any of the options, don't select one yet, and Excel will preview them for you. Ah, cool. I don't really use this too much, but it is good to have. Treadline's a quick one. That's a good one to have. When you see the one that you like, click it to add the element to the chart. Add a treadline based on this. Oh, this is probably not a good one. All right, let's just try to keep it simple. Chart title. Woohoo! Alright, so I mean that was pretty much it. So that was the tips for 10 tips for charts. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I learned a couple of new things myself. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.